Today we're going to focus on the Transpring LO battery and explore exactly how to use it. The Transpring LO battery features an all-metal construction with a push button right near the very top. This push button is needed because this is not an automatic battery. It's a manual battery, meaning that you have to push the button down in order to activate it when using. To begin using this battery, it's very simple. All you'll need to do is connect your cartridge of choice to the very top via the 510 connection. Once you screw in your cartridge, it will be ready to use. And this battery has 3 different functions which are very useful. One function on here is a preheat. The preheat function actually half steps the voltage going to the cartridge and allows you to begin warming your material that is inside the cartridge to prep it for use. By engaging the preheat function, which is simply 2 clicks, you will hear the coil activate and it will gently start warming your material for 15 seconds while the LED glows different colors. You'll see it glow from red to yellow to green to blue and ultimately purple, and it will cycle back around again. It will continue to do this for 15 seconds, gently heating the contents of your cartridge. When the preheating cycle is finished, the LED will stop glowing, and you can then go ahead and start using your cartridge by simply holding down the button and inhaling. Now, to engage this battery in its temperature settings, there are 3 temperature settings that can be used. It has a low, medium, and high for a 2.6 volt, 3.3 volt, or 4.0 volt capacity, respectively. To engage the temperature settings, simply click the button 3 times. So it will come standard at its lowest temperature setting, which is green. To raise it, click the button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and it will now glow blue, indicating its medium heat setting, which is 3.3 volts. To raise it again to its next heat setting, which is high, 1, 2, 3. Press the button 3 times. It will now be at its highest heat setting, which is 4.0 volts, with a red LED color. To cycle back to the lowest heat setting, which is 2.6 volts, simply press the button 3 more times, 1, 2, 3, in quick succession. You now saw it just glow green, indicating that it's now on its lowest heat setting. And finally, if you want to turn this battery off, it's very simple to do. You just simply press the button 5 times in quick succession, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The light will blink 1 time, and you'll now notice when you go to press the button, it's not activating. This is a simple way to keep your battery safe and prevent it from being activated when it's in your pocket or when you have left it around other people. To turn your battery back on, simply press it 5 times again in quick succession, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll notice the LED blink 1 time, and now when you go to hold down the LED to use it, it will glow the proper color indicating its heat level. Now, when this battery is completely discharged, you'll know because when you go to press the button, instead of glowing a solid color, it will blink 10 times that color. When you encounter that situation, it's time to recharge. So disconnect your cartridge via the 510 connection by unscrewing it, and take your battery and connect it to a USB charger. This USB charger has a 510 connection port as well. Simply take your LO battery, screw it into the 510 connection port on your USB charger, and then take your USB charger and plug it into a live USB port. Now, it will typically glow red when it needs to be charged. This is a fully charged battery, so it's now glowing green. But when you connect it in, You'll just need to wait for the level to turn, or the light on the USB charger to go from red to green. Once it's at green, indicating a full charge, you can disconnect the battery by simply unscrewing it from its 510 connection and begin using it again. And that is the Transpring LO battery.